Hello everybody! Now, we know Thanksgiving is coming. So here at the IRC, we have a good book for you. Let's take a look. Silly Tilly's Thanksgiving Dinner. Let's take a look. Thanksgiving is coming! I must make some dinner. What can I make? Let me take a look at my recipe. I know! I can make some jam! But first, I need to invite Mrs. Squirrel. I need to write my invitation. How do I spell squirrel? Mrs. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Oh no! Mrs. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Mrs. Squirrel. Yes, squirrel. Who else can I invite? Pencil? What am I doing? I need more tea. Who can I invite? Ooh, it's so foggy. I can't see. Mr. Bunny is here. I know. He can help me deliver the invitations. Invitation. I think this is the right one. Silly Tilly. Now, let's think. Will her friends make it to the dinner? Let's find the answer in the book with our teachers.